We've all been there. That dreaded afternoon slump hits, and suddenly, you're struggling to focus, your mood plummets, and all you can think about is curling up for a nap. Did you know that over 70% of people experience these energy crashes during the day? That's where emergency superfoods come in. Think of them as your secret weapon against fatigue. These are nutrient-packed powerhouses that can give you a quick and sustained energy boost whenever you need it most. They're like a battery recharge for your body, helping you power through your day, feeling your absolute best. We're going to dive into some awesome superfoods, but stick around because I'm going to reveal my absolute favorite one. It's a game changer. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, feeling drained can feel like the norm. We're juggling work, family, social lives, and trying to maintain some semblance of a healthy lifestyle. It's a lot. And when our energy reserves dip, everything feels harder. You know that sluggish feeling. It's like your brain is stuck in first gear. Even simple tasks feel overwhelming, and suddenly, that cheerful disposition you woke up with has vanished. We've all been there. Low energy isn't just about feeling tired, it affects every aspect of our lives. Our productivity takes a nosedive, we're more prone to mood swings, and even our motivation to exercise or prepare healthy meals goes out the window. But here's the good news. We don't have to accept low energy as a fact of life. By making simple, mindful choices about what we eat, we can regain control of our energy levels and feel amazing throughout the day. That's why I'm so passionate about superfoods, particularly when it comes to combating fatigue. These nutritional powerhouses provide a natural, sustained energy boost without the jitters or crashes you might get from caffeine or sugary snacks. And the best part? Incorporating them into your daily routine is easier than you might think. So let's talk superfoods. These aren't mythical ingredients found only in far-off lands. We're talking about real, accessible foods packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and all the good stuff that gives your body a natural energy boost. First up, we have berries. Think blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. These little gems are bursting with antioxidants and fiber, which help regulate blood sugar levels and provide long-lasting energy. I love adding them to my smoothies, yogurt, or just snacking on a handful throughout the day. Next, we've got leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens. They're like the superheroes of the vegetable world. Packed with iron, magnesium, and B vitamins, they help your body convert food into energy. Don't worry, you don't have to eat salads all day. Sneak them into smoothies, stir-fries, or even pasta sauces. Now let's talk about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These are your go-to for healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which keep you feeling full and energized for longer. I love adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to my morning yogurt or sprinkling some chopped nuts on my salads. And don't forget about fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, mackerel. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function and energy production. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. These are just a few examples, and we'll dive into more detail about my top favorite in just a bit. We've covered some awesome superfoods that can make a real difference in your energy levels. And believe me, incorporating these into your diet is a fantastic step towards feeling more energized and vibrant. But I'm about to share my ultimate secret weapon, the Superfood MVP, the one that I personally rely on to power through long days and still have the energy to make videos for you guys. This superfood is not only incredibly effective, but it's also super versatile and easy to add to your daily routine. I'm talking about a true game changer that you can find at pretty much any grocery store. So stick around because I'm about to reveal my all-time favorite energy-boosting superfood. You won't want to miss this. Get ready for it. My absolute favorite energy-boosting superfood is peppermint tea. Now, you might have heard of peppermint tea before. It's a classic and for good reason. Peppermint tea is made from the leaves of the peppermint plant, which are packed with menthol, a compound known for its invigorating and refreshing properties. One of the things I love most about peppermint tea is that it provides a calm, focused energy. You know how coffee can sometimes make you feel jittery and then you crash? Well, peppermint tea gives you a smooth, sustained energy boost without the unwanted side effects. I remember when I first started my first job, tired all the time. I was constantly feeling drained, and the usual pick-me-ups was just not cutting it. That's when I discovered peppermint tea. It was like night and day. I started having a cup in the morning instead of coffee, and I was amazed by how much more focused and energized I felt throughout the day. Plus, it helped me power through those afternoon slumps without relying on sugary snacks. But peppermint tea isn't just about energy. It's also been linked to a ton of other health benefits like boosting brain function, supporting heart health, and even promoting weight management. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. You can whisk it into a latte, add it to smoothies, bake it into energy bars, or even sprinkle it on yogurt or oatmeal. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. We've explored some amazing superfoods that can make a world of difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. Remember, it's not about drastically overhauling your entire diet overnight. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 new superfoods into your routine and see how you feel. You can gradually add more as you go. Listen to your body and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Everyone is different, so what works best for one person might not be the best option for another. It's all about finding what makes you feel your absolute best. And speaking of feeling your best, I've created a free ebook called Creating a Family Survival Superfood Plan, Strategies for All Ages. It's packed with delicious recipes, practical tips, and easy-to-follow strategies to help you and your loved ones incorporate more superfoods into your daily lives. You can grab your free copy in the description box below. I can't wait to hear what you think. I hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to supercharge your diet with these amazing energy-boosting superfoods. Let me know in the comments what your favorite energy-boosting foods are. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay tuned for next week's video on canned versus freeze-dried, which survival food is best. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in how you look, feel, and live.